Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this video, we'll discuss 5 tips to improve your lung function. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to NRG Healthcare, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. There are a lot of health related information from doctors to general public available. The first tip is do your regular exercise. This includes your overall body exercise, upper body exercise and lower body exercise. The best exercise to start with is walking. So walking includes movement of all the muscles, so it is very good. If somebody who is not able to do walking, what they can do is simple stretching exercise, lifting their hand up, lifting their leg up, taking a breath, moving their shoulder. All those simple exercise also improves the lung function. Second one is the breathing technique. So when they take the breath, they should be taking a deep breath and also expirating or blowing out completely. Taking small breath will not improve the oxygen level. For example, blowing a candle. If you have 20 candles in front of you, then you need to blow in a single breath. What you will do? Take a deep breath and you blow it completely. That is the breathing exercise you need to do. So you have to blow out the air completely so that the lung is ready to receive fresh air and improve the oxygenation. This also stretches the alveoli, which is a small air packets inside the lungs. So when you take a deep breath, it stretches, and when you blow, it squeezes out. So this is a normal thing should happen inside the lung. So doing a complete breathing technique is helpful. And also positioning. Third one is positioning. When you're lying on your back, okay, what happens is the lungs and the heart are in the upper part. The heart lies over the lungs. So the lung expansion is restricted. But if you lie on your side or in your tummy, the lung can expand fully. So while you're normally sleeping, you just change your position. Don't lie on your back all the time. Go to side and also practice lying on your tummy. We have observed during the corona treatment, patients who are able to lie on the tummy has better lung expansion and better oxygen level in their body. And they come out of oxygen need very quickly also. So proning is very important. You practice it on daily basis. Fourth one is nutrition. It is very important to maintain your nutrition to improve your immunity and also maintain your weight. So high weight is very bad for your lungs. So reduce your weight and maintain your weight by getting a proper diet. We have already discussed about diet for immunity. I will enclose that in the end of the video. The fifth one is relaxation. Relaxation is very important to improve your lung function. Taking a short breath during anxiety, which is not good. So during relaxation, you tend to take much deeper breath and they clear out, expiration is good. So relaxation is very important. And also stress reduces the immunity power. It's prone for infection. So relaxation is compulsory for improving lung function. So please follow all these tips and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.